Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I wanted to hip you guys to a brand called Tres Noir sunglasses. I actually wear them every day. If you have seen these videos and have seen me out in the open, knowing that I do wear glasses, I wear progressives now. I'm old and I need glasses. But before I needed glasses, I wore these as sunglasses. Now they're prescription glasses. They have auto tinting. I've always liked these because back when I wore an open face helmet, they shielded a lot of the air passing by when you're riding, and they still fit in a helmet, but they're big enough for me. They don't look small on my head. These are called the 45s. They make a myriad of other glasses. So check out Tres Noir. You're gonna dig them. They got new glasses coming out specifically for my gigantic head. They're gonna be even larger than these, and I cannot wait for those, called the Jefe. So when those hit, I'll let you know.